Business ideas for women in Silanwali. Hey, beautiful souls, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously inspiring small business ideas that are absolutely perfect for all you incredible women and girls in Silanwali looking to infuse your lives with passion and purpose. Get ready to unleash your inner girl boss and create a business that sets your soul on fire. Listen up, gorgeous, because this is for you. We're about to explore some incredible opportunities that let you tap into your unique talents, embrace your entrepreneurial spirit, and build a brighter future. For yourself and for Silanwali, get ready to be inspired, because the world is waiting for your magic. Rock the runway. Launch your online fashion empire. Have you always had a passion for fashion? Do you find yourself drawn to unique pieces that make a statement? Why not turn that passion into a thriving online boutique? Imagine curating a collection of clothes and accessories that reflect your unique style and sharing it with the world. Building an online boutique is more accessible than ever. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer incredible free tools to showcase your products. And you can even set up an online store with just a few clicks. The best part? You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams strut their stuff. Handmade with love, share your craftsmanship. Okay, ladies, let's talk about turning those incredible talents into thriving businesses. Are you a whiz with a crochet needle? Do you create jewelry that makes heads turn? Maybe you have a knack for transforming ordinary household items into stunning works of art. Whatever your craft, Silanwali needs to see it. Setting up shop online opens a world of opportunity, but don't underestimate the power of local markets and craft fairs. These events are the perfect place to showcase your one-of-a-kind creations, connect with your community, and build a loyal customer base. Remember, people cherish handmade items because they're infused with love, care, and your unique creative spark. Chapter 3. Calling all the wordsmiths, the storytellers, the passionate souls with wisdom to share. In a world hungry for connection and authentic voices, blogging and vlogging offer an incredible platform to share your passions and build a community around what you love. Whether you're passionate about cooking, travel, beauty, personal development, or anything in between, there's an audience eager to hear your unique perspective. Share your journey, your insights, your struggles, and your triumphs. Be yourself, let your personality shine through, and watch as you attract a community that resonates with your message. Chapter 4. Are you passionate about health and wellness? Do you love inspiring others to live their healthiest, most vibrant lives? If so, becoming a fitness coach could be your calling. Share your love of movement, nutrition, and mindfulness with the women of Silanwali and watch them blossom. You can offer online classes, create personalized fitness plans, or even provide one-on-one training sessions. Empower your clients to achieve their fitness goals while you create a business that fills your cup and lights up your soul. Chapter 5. Do you thrive on bringing people together? Do you have a knack for organization and a passion for creating unforgettable experiences? If so, event planning could be your dream career. From intimate gatherings to large-scale celebrations, there's always a need for talented event planners to bring joy and magic to life's special moments. Tap into your inner creative director and design events that reflect the unique personalities and dreams of your clients. Weddings, birthdays, corporate events, you name it. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Outro, there you have it, beautiful souls. 5 incredible business ideas that are perfectly suited for the amazing women of Silanwali. Remember, the most important ingredient for success is your passion, your drive, and your unwavering belief in yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Choose the path that lights you up, take that first step, and watch in amazement as you create a business and a life you absolutely love. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's empower each other to achieve our dreams.